I think I officially have the worst sounding car in the state of Connecticut. I was just taking my car over to get the emissions done. I'm at Deni's shop right now. I was supposed to get the emissions done, then come over here and kind of discuss what parts I needed to order next. But on my way to the emissions, my car got a check engine light, so that's not gonna fly. So I'm gonna have to figure out what that's all about. So let's see here. All right, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like we got an O2 sensor circuit range, which I pretty much expected. And same thing. And then same thing, bank 1. So bank 1 and bank 2 are giving me issues, so gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do with that, make a game plan so that we can pass emissions and get this thing put together and tuned. Yeah, a little bit. I did such a good job though. Let's see, where's the O2 sensors? I wonder if they just popped out or something. They're right here. They're in the extended bongs.
The wire must have been maybe got short.
Maybe? I don't know.
That could happen sometimes.
This is weird. We got the car up in the air. We were just looking at it, making a plan. Looks like we're gonna do T-fitting here, 1 male, 2 females, a couple 90 degrees. Then we're gonna go dash 4 fitting all the way down to the turbo in the back. Turbo's not mounted right now, just so we could drive it. Then we're gonna do, I think it was like 10 AN lines, about 15 feet back down that way. We'll probably have extra, but we're gonna overshoot a couple of fittings. And we should be good to go. The wideband bong is here. I think we're gonna relocate this to somewhere in the back here, on the exhaust side here, like where it actually comes out the physical bumper. But other than that, I think we're gonna go ahead and order all the parts and overnight them and see if we can get this thing plumbed up. I have a very ambitious goal to try and get this done by the time of my wedding, which is on the 26th. Today is the 10th. That is ambitious, but I think we might be able to do it as long as we can just commit to, you know, getting the right parts in and being creative and, you know, getting this thing together, which is exciting. I have also 8 days to get it past emissions, so we're gonna check the fuses here and see if we can figure out what's going on with that. All right, guys, thanks for bearing with me. It's been kind of a weird day. I started off going to get my emissions done, and on my way over there, a check engine light came on. I drove this at least 2 hours, so I was kind of bummed out to see a check engine light, but we cleared the O2 sensor, so it wasn't for the fuses, it's the performance. So I mean, it's actually for the actual O2 sensors, but you know, we cleared it. Deni told me to keep it plugged in, and if it goes from like red to orange to green, he's like, it'll be orange, and if it goes back to red, we probably got to replace it, but if it goes to green, then it's emissions ready. So maybe it was just a fluke. It is green right now, as you can see, so hopefully that's not going to be too much of a hiccup. I think I'm going to log in to work 10 minutes early tomorrow so I can get 10 minutes early off earlier and head down and try and get it taken care of. So we'll see if that works. But yeah, so I got my list of stuff that we need. I'm going to call the shop tomorrow. They're going to put in an order for all the parts that I need. And then they're probably not going to come by the end of the weekend because it's Friday tomorrow, or tomorrow's Thursday? What's tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Yeah. So it's probably not going to come in until the following Monday. That's fine. I want to see if I can get this whole thing done by the 26th. And it's just going to take like a few days of solid work put into the car for it to be ready and set to go. So it's really exciting. I'm really going to push to see if I can get this done. It's a little ambitious, but hopefully nothing breaks. I would love to get some pictures on my wedding day with Christina here next to the bride, even though that looks gross. I can fix that, but I think that would be some pretty cool pictures. I've thought about it for a while, so we'll see. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Seriously, if you subscribe, it would really help me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm currently at 568 when this video came out, so I would love to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. And I'm just gonna keep cranking out videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Really helps me out. Hope you guys have a good night.